Plan with me. And can you spot the lower right-hand corner of this affirmation art journal page? It's halfway through the year, and there's one place left on the front of this morning affirmation art journal page. What intention should I set today? Thanks for subscribing to this YouTube channel for more art and wellness videos. And if you're wondering how to affirmation art journal and set up a watercolor affirmation journal like this, check out the link under related videos in the description. So journal with me and let's finish this page. The morning affirmation art journal intention setting for today is, I renew, heal, and recharge the cells of my body. Let's recharge our batteries, starting from the microscopic level of our cells, and visualize a fresh start with an empowering mindset. Oh, the power of our minds. Where in your body would you like to cleanse your cells and give them an energetic boost from your mind? It can be helpful to art journal for mental health like this. I know it helps me to focus my intention each day and sets me up for the best day possible. My name is Kathleen Arola-Johnson, and I'm a mixed media art journaling instructor with a background in teaching elementary school art. Check out my other tutorials, and I'm happy to have you plan with me today.